Set. I went to get breakfast, croquetas, the usual, as you know, and it started raining as soon as I got back. And it was loud.
I know, hopefully you had your umbrella. Yes, well, as long as you got your croqueta and you didn't get too soaked, because croquetas are important in the morning. You know, that is one of our favorite breakfast food items. But right now, if you're headed out for lunch and maybe you're gonna have croquetas or whatever it is that you prefer, we are still dealing with some wet weather. So make sure you have your rain gear. There's a cloudy view from our Biscayne Bay camera, Miami, and the radar is active in spots. We've seen now that the heavier rain is moving through Miami-Dade County, whereas this morning it was mainly Broward. Broward is still dealing with some showers though near Deerfield Beach, as well as a couple of showers around Tamarack and Fort Lauderdale, but nowhere near as heavy as what we saw earlier this morning. Sunrise, a little bit of wet weather for you. Aventura, Hard Rock Stadium, dealing with some more light to moderate rain. And there you see the heavier rain around Key Biscayne, near Brickell, as well as Doral just got soaked. Sweetwater and West Miami, Sunset, Kendall, the hammocks dealing with some showers, as well as across the upper Keys. So we still are going to be dealing with these waves of rain, and the wind out of the northeast, 17 miles an hour, gusts as high as 25 to 26 miles an hour. Certainly blustery, so hang on to that umbrella. Wind advisory is in effect because we'll continue with the strong northeast winds, gusts to 35 miles an hour today. Hey, the benefit of the rain is that it is nice and cool. Look at that, 79 degrees in Weston, 80 degrees in Miami, 84 in Kendall, yet warmer down to the Keys, 90 degrees in Key West, because really it hasn't rained much, if at all, down through the lower Keys. Tropical storm Beta moving west-northwest here near the coast of Texas. Tropical storm conditions already occurring here and will continue to be the case as it's expected to make landfall later on this evening likely, and then continue to move here just along the coast of Texas, bring heavy rain, flooding, gusty wind, storm surge. It'll weaken to a depression by Wednesday and Thursday, and an area of low pressure moving into the southeast by the end of the week. Here's Hurricane Teddy, Category 1, but still large hurricane, and it is just southeast of Bermuda. So yeah, tropical storm warnings in place for Bermuda, post-tropical cyclone Paulette out in the northern Atlantic, and the remnants of what once was Wilfred. So other than that, we're not seeing any threats to South Florida, just an area that has a low potential of development near us as we have that front. For today, that frontal boundary leading to stormy conditions at times, some gusty downpours, the potential for flooding. Obviously not a beach day, not safe to go swimming. We have a dangerous high risk of rip currents, coastal flood advisory, some coastal flooding possible around high tide times. And in addition, small craft advisory as well as a gale warning is in effect for boaters due to rough and dangerous conditions out on the waters. For tonight, we could see some scattered showers, staying windy, but tomorrow, the first day of fall, will not be as humid, not as hot, highs in the upper 80s, and the rain chance lower Tuesday and Wednesday, but then goes back up by the end of the week.